Curiosity may have killed the cat, but it freed the elephant. To paraphrase a story that I'm sure has been told millions of times, the story of the elephant and the rope. It goes like this. A baby elephant in a circus can be held down by a rope around its legs and a stake. And no matter how hard that elephant kicks, it can't break free. And as it grows older, it gives up. It stops trying, it accepts defeat. But at some point, that elephant could break free if it wanted to. So what happens is this elephant may be 2 tons big and yet still be held by a small rope around its leg. Now the point of that story, to translate that to creators, the baby elephant is you when you're still an amateur. When you still don't know what you're doing. All you know is that you love what you do. And the rope is this idea of this belief that holds you down that I can't make a career out of this. This is only a part-time hobby. What happens is that your work may be outstanding. You may have a message that matters, that really impacts people. But you let that rope, that belief that, oh, I can't do this full time, hold you down. And here's where curiosity comes into play. Curiosity is constantly nudging at that rope, kicking at it, seeing how strong it really is, constantly questioning that belief of, I'm stuck where I am. Because eventually, you will be able to kick that rope out and just walk free whatever direction you want. It's that constant questioning of the belief that there's a right way to make a living. Eventually you'll realize that the world we live in, the digital world, doesn't have a right way to make a career. That's long gone. We're in the world of bits and data, not of atoms and material things. We're in a world where ideas are infinite and can reach an infinite amount of people in a tiny amount of time. So that rope is more like a piece of floss tied around an elephant's leg. It's much weaker than you think. All you have to do is start kicking at it, and eventually you'll break free.